Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this premium wax seal kit. Man, this is taking me back into the good old Lincoln days, man. I can't wait to check this out. This is gonna be fun. I know if you still send letters and stuff, you guys can do this as well. It's gonna be awesome, or for projects. Guys, so this is the full kit. I mean, this is awesome. So guys, check it out. Now these are already pre-cut for the spoon. These you would melt and just let it drip and then stamp. The stamps are freaking awesome. And you guys can get more. You got a rose. So what you do is you twist it and you put it on here. And it allows you to stamp down. Let's go ahead and try it out. Guys, you take a lighter and you go ahead and you heat it up underneath it. And you can pour it out. And then, now this is to use as a backdrop. And then you can go ahead and stamp it. Guys, check this out. That is so cool. That is so cool. So this is just a sample, guys. And that is to lay down. So you would do just a little bit and you would stamp it. And then you would pull it off. And then this is how it would look on your letter. That is awesome, guys. So cool. Now, this was the first time I've ever done this. I've always wanted to do this, and this is awesome. We use a little bit too much, as you guys can see, but it is so freaking cool. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love this. That is awesome, guys. So, needless to say, I am very happy with how this turned out. Very cool. Now I'm going to learn it, play with it, and perfect my stamping skills, but wow. Awesome, guys.